Are you a locum tenens professional looking to simplify your finances and maximize your tax advantages? One of the most crucial steps you can take is opening a dedicated business bank account and securing a business credit card. In today's podcast, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get it done right. Welcome to the Locum CPA podcast, where we talk about the business of being a locum tenens medical professional. I'm Stephen Lee, a CPA based out of Chicago, Illinois. Whether you're new to locums or a seasoned professional, separating your personal and business finances is essential. Why, you might ask? It helps with tax deductions and simplifies the bookkeeping process and keeps you IRS compliant. Plus, building business credit can open doors to better financial opportunities down the road. Therefore, let's go over the steps to opening up a business bank account and credit card for your locums practice. Step 1, prepare documentation. You'll need to prepare some key documents. Here's what to bring to the bank or upload online. And if you don't have any of these, please refer to my previous podcast on how to obtain the following documentation, titled How to Open Up an LLC or PLLC. The first thing you're going to need is your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, which is from the IRS. The second thing you're going to need is your business formation documents, like the Articles of Organization for your LLC or PLLC. The next piece of information you're going to need, or documentation, is your professional license, if required for your state or industry. And last is a government-issued ID for verification, like a driver's license or state ID. A pro tip here, some banks may also ask for an operating agreement if you have more than one partner. Step 2 is to choose the right bank. There's a lot of options out there, and not all banks are created equal. So look for one that offers low or no maintenance fees for a checking account, robust online banking tools, and business perks like free wire transfers or cashback rewards. One of the big things here is to make sure that the bank that you choose, once again, has robust online options to receive and send payments. So you definitely want to make sure you're choosing the right business banking relationship here. And if you're new or a seasoned locum professional, you don't want to miss my top tips for starting and operating your locums practice. I'll pin a link to the guide in the comment section below. Step 3 is to open the account. Now it's time to open your account. Whether you do this online or in person, make sure to link the account to any accounting software you're using, like QuickBooks or Xero. This will save you hours during tax season. And many of my clients that do open up these bank accounts, they end up having to go into the bank. Sometimes expedites the process to actually see an in-person bank associate to help you open up that account, because there's a lot of documentation and processing. And even if you do it online, sometimes it might take longer to do it online versus to go in person. Step 4 is to apply for a business credit card. Up to this point, we've opened up a business checking account for your locums practice, but now it's also time to apply for a business credit card. And here's why. Number 1, it simplifies the tracking of deductible expenses like travel or even CME costs. You will have some expenses as a locum professional that may not be reimbursed by a locum tenens intermediary company. So you want to track those expenses for tax purposes. And number 2, many cards offer rewards tailored to businesses like travel points or cash back, so you don't want to miss out on those rewards. And number 3, it helps you build your business credit profile. So in the future, if you're ever looking for business financing, you have a business relationship with a local bank or a national bank that you can actually apply for business financing. Step 5 is to maintain and monitor. Once everything is set up, it's crucial to stay organized. Review your statements monthly to ensure all transactions are business related, and set aside money in a savings account for quarterly estimated tax payments. You can refer back to one of my previous videos on how to calculate quarterly estimated tax payments. That's going to be crucial for you to understand and to set aside money so you can make those payments. And by opening up a business bank account and securing a credit line, you're setting yourself up for financial success in your locum tenens career. If you have any specific questions about banks, credit cards, or other business topics, please drop them in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips tailored to locum professionals. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.